Hello there, and welcome to Health and Science. Today's topic is sexually transmitted diseases, or in short, STDs. So condoms, as we talked last time, is the only way to prevent STDs, besides not having sex at all. But if you are going to have an intercourse, the STDs get transmitted sexually through mucous membrane. And we have mucous membrane in our mouth and in the genital area, in the urethra, in the rectum, as well as in the eyes. You can tell that mucous membrane by the slimy surface, because mucous membrane secretes mucus, and that makes it red and slimy. So STDs get transmitted by mucus, which is secreted by the mucous membrane. They can also get transmitted by semen, spit, and blood. So, for example, if you get blood on your eyes by a splatter, if the blood is carrying an STD, you can get infected. And STDs don't necessarily cause symptoms right away. That's because they are sneaky, so you might not even know, and you might be carrying the disease and spreading the disease. So it is always a good idea to get checked and tested between short intervals. So the most common STDs are Chlamydia, which you can see here are the number of people that get contaminated with Chlamydia every year. And then HIV infection, which is lot more rare, as well as Syphilis and gonorrhea. So in our country, Chlamydia is the most popular STD. And out of these four, Chlamydia, Syphilis, and gonorrhea are transmitted by bacteria, and HIV is the only one transmitted by virus. Chlamydia is an infection caused by bacteria in urethra, uterus, rectum, and also throat. Chlamydia, like condyloma, can be symptomless for many years, and you don't even realize. When the chlamydia starts to cause symptoms, it can be cured with antibiotics. Genital warts and herpes are another STD, and they are caused by virus, just like HIV. And all the virus-induced STDs are incurable. The human papillomavirus causes these genital warts to grow around genitalia, and they can be treated, but the human papillomavirus itself cannot be. Herpes causes painful blisters and inflammations in genitalia, so herpes virus is also gained for life when you have once been contaminated by it. Out of these two, the HPV, which causes the genital warts, can be vaccinated against, and the vaccination was added in the National Vaccination Program in 2013. Syphilis and gonorrhea are caused by bacteria, and they are also curable with antidotes, just like chlamydia. And they are both relatively rare in high-functioning societies like ourselves, and can be prevented with proper use of condom. HIV, which is human immunodeficiency virus, is the scariest STD of them all. The virus slowly destroys the immune system and causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is short for AIDS, which AIDS is short for. And this allows the life-threatening and opportunistic infections and cancers to thrive in your body. HIV is not transmitted through handshaking, hugging, kissing, or petting. It is transmitted only by blood contact or mucous membrane contact. And condom is the only way to prevent HIV from spreading. So as your homework, think about this: where can you get tested? And why is it easier to prevent STDs than to cure them? Write short summary about these and we can continue this discussion in the class.